Hello there, my name is Cindy Humphrey and I'm here to talk to you about everything to do with summer. I'm talking fashion ideas, I'm talking packing hacks and also your essentials. So, how about talking about trends, all the fashionable items that you're going to want to take on your holiday? I'm talking gorgeous, bold prints, lovely fabrications, the cottons, linens, and the way that the beautiful material flows when you walk. It's like it's dancing. We've also got gorgeous gold, bigger prints, you know, like oranges and yellows. So let's talk about coordination, because I don't know about you, but I like to repeat wear when I'm on holiday, or perhaps try to wear things differently. So these two pieces here are gorgeous. They're bold, they're lightweight. It really makes a statement, and it's a co-ord, so it's the obvious two pieces that you'd put together. But then what you could do is get your T-shirt and team up with this, and you can see it works, right? But then I'm going to take it a step further. So, for example, I can take this lovely shirt here, which also works well with that too. And you can see those gorgeous colours really do come through. But I'm going to take it even a step further. So this is what, stage 3, I think, step 3. And put this lovely pair of shorts together and take the top that I had earlier and put it with this. So coordination is all about the ways in which you can really make the most of your wardrobe when you're on your holidays. Okay, so we've talked about the range, we've talked about the coordination of the pieces, but now we're going to try on a few bits and pieces. So this is what I've chosen. What do you think? I like it. Do you know, I'm trying to get away from the really usual bland colours that I wear and the kind of like lacklustre style. Not style, but colours. I want bold, I want vibrant, I want happiness, I want joy. And these are bold prints and the colours really put a smile on my face. But then let's also talk about jumpsuits as well, because I'm a big fan of jumpsuits. And I love this. I love the fit of it. I love the V-neck as well. And the way that it fits around the stomach area, around the side. And it's got pockets. I mean, who doesn't like pockets? I love pockets. So this is the one I've chosen for now. Let's have a look at some more. This is my other outfit. Now, you can wear this during the day or in the evening, because if I take this off, you've got a vest. Put this on in the evening, you're good to go as well, right? But this is lovely. What do you think? You know, I like to do my twirls. It feels really, I feel a little bit sophisticated with this jacket on. It's gorgeous. The lovely embroidery that runs through, the neutral tones of the greens and the blues and the creams that go well with these lovely linen crop trousers, which are gorgeous, and they feel really comfortable. I've noticed that the older I get, I'm a little bit more into elastication, you know? So you can get a little bit more of a stretch when you've eaten a little bit too much. But to top it off, I'm gonna go and grab these, which are the sunnies, because you can't beat a good pair of sunnies and a lovely outfit on holiday. I feel really elegant in this dress. This is all about elegance and femininity, but yet comfort, because I never, ever compromise on my comfort. So with this dress is beautiful to look at, but it also feels really good on. It's very soft, it's light, it's airy, so it's breathable, especially if you're going on holiday and it's somewhere really, really hot. But you've got this lovely pared back, gorgeous, soft pink, but these lovely, gorgeous flowers on there as well, which is just beautifully and stunning, and also on trend too. Now I've teamed it up with a lovely pair of sandals, which are nice and flat. They're quite bulky as well, which takes it to be a little bit more on the casual side. But if you're going out of an evening, just put some more fancy shoes on and you're good to go. Wear it with some trainers if you want to as well. I'll put a shawl around it in the evening if you want to too. But I think something's missing. So if I look back here, you're gonna see this lovely raffia bag, which I don't know about you, but every year I do love to get my raffia bag out. And as soon as I pop that on my shoulder, you can see that I'm ready for my holes. So let's talk about packing, because I think that packing is really essential. I used to just throw everything in. I was terrible. But then I started to roll things in, and then I thought that was really good. But then my husband introduced me into these fantastic little travel bags. These are essential because they're gonna really, really help you be able to carry all the things that you need to carry without it really congesting your suitcase. I use, for example, one like this for my socks, for my underwear, for toiletries. You've also got your neck rest as well, which I think, I'm just put it on now because everybody loves a neck rest, right? You know, when you're on the plane or you're on a train or anywhere, on a coach or something, you're going to your daily travels, you've got to need something that's really relaxing, especially when you have a nap as well your head flops to the side or something. As long as you don't drool, it's okay. And then you've also got your towels as well. This is a roll-up towel, which is really good, and it really holds well inside here. Then you've got your little mini vanity case. What I love about this is the fact that you've got here a nice small case. It looks like a mini suitcase. Sits on the back of a suitcase handle, but yet you can also use this as you know, if you're going away just for one night, just roll everything up in there and you're good. And you've got a handle to go over your shoulder as well with that. Look at this. This is a little bag. This little bag, just simply, and you open it up like this, it's a magnetic flap on the back. So you put this on your belt and it just does that. Brilliant, right? Look at this. This looks like a normal key ring, a key chain, a key accessory. But this is great because inside here, hidden, are all of your chargers for your mobile phones and all your rest of your bits and pieces, so you don't have to worry about that again. And it's all nice and disguised, so I love this. And then let's talk about the essentials, because I don't know about you, but I find it really, really difficult to be able to go away without having my SPF. And then also your grooves as well, your lovely, lovely compact earphones and your mirrors, all of these fabulous essential bits and pieces, not forgetting the fan, because the fan's really, really, really important, so that you are really, really comfortable and also prepared. Thank you so much for watching, and I really do hope that you've enjoyed it. There's so much more here on YouTube, and don't forget to shop on our website where you can find more of your favourite items.